You know what I mean?
That they've seen. That they've seen. Like, oh, okay, if I ever had the chance.
Right? What?
I don't know.
Have you ever made love in a radio booth?
No.
Oh.
Hey, come on.
All right.
Bucket list.
Bucket list. Bucket list. Bucket list.
Pakicheck na nga yan. Pakicheck na nga yung surroundings.
Bakit?
Guard, pakisaray na ng blinds. Naka-tent tayo ngayon. Naka-tent.
So other than being a sexy star, have you ever done other stuff on television, movies? Like,
Oh yeah, lots of in foreign countries. Yeah,
Okay.
like I've been in movies, I've been in magazines, like television, like comedy, and lots of different
nice.
kinds of. Yeah.
What would you say would be your favorite?
I like taking pictures, like magazines.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so
Photo
you
shoot.
photo
Photo
shoots.
shoot. Yeah.
So you're not camera shy regardless of which photographer you're working with?
No, not at all. Not
so
at all.
you still do the front shots, the nude photos, or
sometimes.
more on clothing?
Fashion.
Clothes on or clothes off? What do you like now?
Now I like it on.
You like it on, okay.
Yeah, I like it on. But I don't know. When in Japan, I take it off. But
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, can you
nice.
show us just just
Okay, just a little bit.
For the people that watching Ustream, sorry, it hung.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Is this allowed on radio? Philippine radio?
It's, we are being censored right now. By the board. Mga board na tao, no? Mga board.
Well, I don't think they're bored anymore listening.
Si Ranville, nilakasan yung volume.
So who handles your, I guess,
your
Yeah.
clothes. Sorry.
your, as a manager, is it you or you have...
Oh yeah, I just quit the industry, so I work my own,
Oh,
and I have a Japanese manager that's not a manager, well, kind of friend, yeah, who takes care of
Family,
my schedule.
kinda
Yeah, family.
takes care of you.
Yeah.
But you don't miss it, the industry, the sexy industry.
Well, sometimes I not miss as in like I have to go back, but
Yeah.
it's like, you know, it was a good.
It was a
time.
good
Yeah,
memory. So when you see a guy now, is it harder to think that, okay, this guy's going to take me seriously, or does he only wants to date me because I'm Mario Sawa?
That's
This
one
guy
of the
just wants me for my
problems.
sex,
Yeah.
you know? And you get, I'm sure you're tired of guys just coming up to you in terms of wanting you for just you. You want someone to
The real
To know,
love.
to know
The real
you.
me, yeah.
Like
Yeah.
the soldier of love.
Yeah, not knowing you on you know
Yeah.
what they've seen.
Yes, that's really one of the biggest problems
Yeah.
that I'm handling right now in Japan. Well, wherever, but
Yeah.
yeah.
And for a guy to, you know, how does what do you look for in a guy? That
Yeah.
you know, the top traits that when
Top
you,
3 qualities.
Yeah.
Number 1,
Three
to be a
qualities.
Maria Ozawa kind of guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you,
Kind of guy.
yeah, you-
Well, of course, you have to be a gentleman. Like,
Okay.
he has to be, yeah.
Okay.
Gentlemen, check,
The
check,
paloots are very happy.
Check.
Check. And I don't know if he's just kind. It's okay because in Japan it's really hard to find a decent guy. I mean that who's like.
When is the next flight to Japan? When is we got to go to Japan?
Yes, you
Gusto
should.
mo, mamaya.
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
we have to see
So
this
kind,
kind,
gentleman.
Gentleman,
The si-
caring.
What about you know, girls always mention this, but the size really matter. Does it really matter? Because you've been with a lot of guys. Does the size of a guy's penis really matter, or it's more of the
the
Performance.
motion in the ocean.
Because sometimes I get
What would you take? Size,
performance.
Size.
Oh.
Well, I don't know. Well, not. It's really hard. Well,
Not,
I don't-
not
Hopefully.
yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Sana.
So size, you're more leaning to.
So it just
No.
depends on the guy.
it depends on the guy.
Okay.
But I don't like the really huge.
Ah.
Oh, don't worry, we're not huge.
Okay.
As Pinoy,
Yeah,
I
we're
like the bitsy tighty.
Ay,
Tama lang. Where's the tama lang?
it's called Vienna sauce.
wag naman Vienna.
Sorry.
Sabi ka ba yan?
Wala kasi ako. Basta Vienna.
Wag naman Vienna.
Oh.
Langgonisa, Pampanga's best. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, is there like, in as much as a lot of guys would want to, you know, be in a scene with you or whatnot, it's their dream. Do you have a dream partner? Like, oh man, I wish I could, you know, do a film with this guy.
The dream partner.
Yeah, I think like
Yeah, say
Peter
one
North or something.
Well, one night only. Any
Lexington
guy.
Steel.
Yeah.
Any guy. Yeah, any guy.
I haven't thought of that.
So even someone in Hollywood.
In Hollywood.
Yeah,
maybe.
someone in Hollywood.
Like you
yeah.
crush on.
I used to love Andy Lau. He's
Oh,
like
Andy Lau,
from
okay.
China?
Yeah, Andy Lau.
I think he's really cute. Like that.
Good
I
looking.
like that Asian face.
Also, you really want to be with an Asian
Yes,
guy.
I do. I love the Asian face.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be Japanese, but
So
okay.
we have a chance, guys.
So-
we have a
yes,
chance.
totally.
Yeah.
Oh, and earlier.
Age.
Yeah.
What would you like?
Age
Younger
isn't-
guy, older guy?
Oh,
What do you,
if it's older, the better.
Taller, shorter.
About the same or taller.
How tall are you?
I'm I don't know how to say it's
5'7", 5'6", 5'4"?
5'4".
5'4"?
Maybe.
But it doesn't matter when you're lying down, right? It's all the same thing. Ooh.
My head is spinning, bro. I didn't even drink alcohol tonight.
Wow.
I feel like I'm. You have some crazy.
And you're here for a couple more days, right? In the Philippines?
Until Wednesday.
And I heard you're gonna be at the reserve. Right?
Yes.
You're gonna
After
be.
this.
So do you
at,
like to party
Fort-
a lot? Are you kind of
I
girl?
love to party. I love clubbing.
You love clubbing?
I love clubbing. I love alcohol. I love everything about it.
Okay, so what's your drink of choice when you go out?
Yeah.
Tequila.
Oh.
Wow. There's a saying here that basta may tequila, lalabas ang dila. How do you translate that? Thomas?
Basta may, when there's tequila, the tongues are out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there's tequila,
because you have
labas
to
dila.
lick, shoot, and suck.
Basta may tequila, may pipila.
Yeah.
He don't, nandyan.
Tangin.
Ako first one ha. Ako first dibs ako. Kayo, second, third na kayo ha. Mga paluts dyan. Ako mauna ha. Do you get, let's admit it, like a lot of guys have fantasies about you. You get indecent proposals. Because I'm sure, because I know Slick and Sam have gotten indecent proposals from girls, you know. Slick's married, but still the girls
They're
want to
still
sleep with
flocking.
him.
Yeah.
From the older generation.
You get like guys like, hey,
You know.
Hey.
Oh yeah, sometimes.
How do you turn those guys down?
sorry, yes, sorry.
No, I don't say. Well,
Yeah! I was Labas ang checkbook! Labas ang checkbook! May check!
Teka lang, ito na pinipirmahan. Somebody wants to nominate us for the Journalists of the Year. Thank you so much.
I think pag CNN, pang world news, lahat.
Itong ginagawa natin, public service lang. Walang ano to, personalan, no?
What was the hardest part about the industry? For those that want to enter it, like for as say myself or girls out there.
for boys?
Yeah, for guys and for girls. What do you know about the toughest thing about?
well, I think the
Pros and cons.
guys are having like the most difficulties because it's all up to the girls, right? So if the girls is in a moody or like doesn't feel like have to
Doing it.
yeah, the guys have to like make the girls into like the higher tension.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
the guys are really
There's more pressure.
yes, more pressure. Because if the girls hates that guy, she won't do that face.
And there
or the
will be
moaning.
there
The
will be
orgasm.
Yeah, the orgasm.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
Can we see that face that the very famous
The orgasm face.
no sound. I'll show you mine.
Here we go.
But you have to be better.
It's like you're turning into the Hulk. It's like
Bruce Banner.
it's like your eyes are just going everywhere.
Hindi ko alam kung nagiging Hulk yung hammer ni Thor, di ba? Hinawa ka yung hammer ni
It's
Thor.
like you're an Avenger all in one. You're just all in
Like
one.
you-
No, but yeah. So let's say if has there been an instance where let's say you're filming, you're doing it with a guy, and then he just loses it, or
Yeah,
you lose
many
it,
times,
and then
many
what? He scrapped the whole video.
No, you cut it.
It just cut it. You
Just
just cut
cut.
it,
And
and then
then-
you have to wait for him to get.
Oh, so then you
He
restart.
preps himself again. He goes out.
So
Toads, is this what you do?
No.
What?
The making of. I've seen.
He knows.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. That's exactly.
I've never been in one,
Oh.
but I've behind the scenes.
Oh, behind the scenes.
Director.
Yes.
No.
Director. He's a director writer.
Oh, right.
Yeah. He's our new director writer.
somebody calling this moment on radio the greatest in Philippine culture. No, what's happening right now?
Now, say there's a day that you have to tape and you're not in the mood. What will get you in the mood? I mean, listening to a certain song, a certain kind of music, or
Well, music, yeah. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll just, like, talk to him, like, give me, like, massage or whatever. And, like, get to know me.
Like this.
Like this, soft. And
wait, what kind of massage do you like? You like it soft, medium, or hard? What kind of massage?
I like it hard.
Oh, hard.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How hard? Where's your
Sweet.
is it the sweet spot?
Yeah.
Sweet
Massaging.
Yeah, where's the spot you like to be massaged?